Creative leadership today isn't about doing everything. It's about knowing what moves the work forward. Your role is to guide, to decide what to generate, what to refine, and what to leave untouched. Let's break it down. Generative AI can help you ideate, iterate, and explore directions you might not have considered at first. But it's your judgment that makes the call. You decide when to use AI and when to go manual. You choose the model, the prompt, the tone. You shape the story. That's creative leadership. For social or content creators, this means trusting your instincts. You might use Firefly to explore a visual direction, then tweak it to match your style. You're not just reacting, you're shaping. You're making choices that reflect your voice, your brand, your goals. For creative professionals, it's about frameworks. You can organize concepts in Firefly boards, share ideas with your team, and build on each other's visual inputs. The ideation phase might be messy, but having a space like boards to explore multiple directions freely, capture spontaneous ideas, and visually sort through possibilities helps you shape your concept with intention. You're not just managing assets, you're directing the system. You're leading with clarity and purpose. So, what does creative leadership look like in action? Let's say you kick off product ideation by generating a few visual concepts in Firefly. Then, you refine the look in Photoshop, adjusting color and layout to match the brand's tone and audience. A design lead then assembles a concept board in Firefly, adds notes to clarify intent, and shares it with stakeholders. Feedback flows in, and they guide revisions in Photoshop, keeping the team aligned and the vision intact. A creative team builds a prompt library to support a multi-format campaign. They use it to generate consistent visuals for social, print, and video, saving time while staying true to the story. And yes, there's a time to say no to AI. A lot of moments call for hand-drawn nuance, for manual polish, for the kind of detail only you can deliver. Knowing when to take the lead yourself and when to ask AI for assistance is part of the job. You're the one who sees the big picture, the one who keeps the why front and center, the one who leads with creativity and purpose.